Hello, in front of me I've got Tecno Camon 18P. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, enter menu and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, voice match and enable Hey Google function. Tap next, agree and continue. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working. Let's go back. Let me just check the language. Okay, it's fine. And enter lock screen. Also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google. Hey Google. Okay Google, what's the weather like tomorrow? And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.